Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I'm going to show you what I got for my birthday from my husband. This is one of the gifts that he gave me, and he also gave me these beautiful roses. I'll insert the picture right here. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my God, they're so beautiful. I had to take so many pictures of them. But I wanted to show you this. I found this on Etsy, and I had to send him the link because it was so pretty and it had a lot of great reviews. So let's take a look. The presentation of the packaging was really nice. There was a cute little sunshine sticker on here, but I took it off when I opened it. But I just wanted to show you how nice this is. When I took the tissue paper off, I thought this was really nice the way they did this with the yarn and the muslin. And I couldn't wait to open it up and see what was inside. Look at this. Now this looks like a nice little piece of muslin for your work surface. And look at this beautiful loom. This is a birch weaving loom, and it comes with 2 dowels, and it has 8 notches per inch. So that way you get more detail when you are weaving with it. And my thought for this size was that I could do small coasters, I could do small wall hangings, I could also make small squares and then sew them together and make placemats, or I could even do a blanket if I wanted to. There is so much that you could do with weaving. You can make pretty much anything with weaving that you can out of crochet. It's just a different method. So then it also comes with this very pretty bag, and it says the Creativity Patch. Isn't this cute? And this can go and you can travel along with it. And you also have your wooden needle to weave your yarn through. And then there is a package of tapestry needles. I don't want to take the cute little sticker off yet, but isn't this lovely? I just was really happy about it. And I love how they also warped the board for you ahead of time so that you can get started on your project right away. So I'm really happy with it. I just love the workmanship of this. This is made out of sustainable birch, and see there's their little logo right here, the little Creativity Patch logo, and I will go ahead and link this down below in the description box. They have different tools for weaving. They also have different size boards, and they have boards that have only 4 notches per inch, but the 8 inches per inch will give you a lot more detail. So if you wanted to do something like a mosaic pattern, you know, you can use your crochet mosaic patterns and just weave. And you know, if you just wanted to take a break from crochet for one reason or another, this is another way that you could use up your yarn and still create something beautiful. So I just wanted to share this with you. I was really excited to get it, and I can't wait to make something. And when I do, I'll make sure I show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Check it out. I have a new Patreon tier for only $2 a month. Go to patreon.com/Crojo Corner. If you have trouble sleeping, check out my new channel, Soul Candy Cafe, rain sounds and meditation music to help you sleep.